Imagine waking up to find that while you were asleep, your YouTube channel made you $460. Yes, you heard that right. $460 a day on autopilot. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, let me tell you, it's very real, and you can do it too. When I first heard about this method, I was skeptical. It seemed too good to be true. But curiosity got the best of me, and I decided to give it a try. Now I'm earning money completely on autopilot, using YouTube as my ultimate tool. The best part, you don't need any prior experience with YouTube or online business. All you need is a few minutes of your day and the motivation to learn something new. So let's dive in and explore how you can turn this simple trick into a daily earning of $460. Step 1 is crucial. Selecting a profitable niche for your YouTube channel. This is where it all begins. Choose a niche that you genuinely care about, one that has an active community and potential for growth. Consider popular and proven niches like gaming, where you can share playthroughs, reviews, and tips. Gaming channels often attract millions of views. Or if tech is more your thing, why not review the latest gadgets, apps, and software? People trust tech reviewers on YouTube for honest opinions and demos. DIY channels are another goldmine. Create videos on crafting, woodworking, or even simple household projects. Viewers love DIY content, and it's a fantastic way to build an engaged audience. Travel enthusiasts can share their adventures, vlogging about unique experiences in different cities and countries. Travel channels evoke a sense of wanderlust and can attract sponsorships from travel brands and tourism boards. Finally, product reviews are always in demand. By reviewing popular products and sharing your honest opinions, you not only help your viewers make informed decisions, but also earn affiliate revenue from links in your video descriptions. Now let's talk about creating high-quality videos with AI voiceovers and edits. If you want your YouTube channel to earn money on autopilot, you need to focus on producing great content. The quality of your videos is the foundation of your success. But don't worry, AI can make this process much easier. Start by using a service like ChatGPT to generate a script based on your chosen niche and keywords. Once you have your script, head over to a site like 11 Labs to create a professional voiceover. Their AI voices are natural sounding and will bring your script to life. To complete your video, add royalty-free images and footage from sources like Pixabay or Pexels. Then use free video editing software to pull everything together. Don't forget to add transitions, text overlays, and zooming effects to keep your audience engaged. After creating your videos, it's time to optimize them for maximum views and subscribers. This is where the magic happens. Your content needs to be high quality, search optimized, and well thought out. Choose topics that not only interest you, but also have a growing, active audience. Evergreen niches like personal finance, health and wellness, and DIY projects work particularly well for automation. Creating a killer title and thumbnail is essential. These are the first things people see, so make them count. Write with the right keywords and create an eye-catching thumbnail that draws viewers in. Tools like TubeBuddy and VidiQ can help you generate keyword and title suggestions. When writing your video script, keep it short, focused, and centered around the solutions your viewers are looking for. A conversational tone works best, as if you're speaking directly to your audience. Don't forget to optimize your video description with relevant keywords, tags, and links. Make sure your main keyword appears within the first 1 or 2 sentences. Link to any products or resources mentioned in the video, and use tags and hashtags to make your content discoverable. Engaging with your viewers is equally important. Respond to comments, thank them for watching, and answer any questions they have. Building a rapport with your regular viewers and subscribers fosters loyalty and community. Finally, share your videos across other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest to boost views and attract more subscribers. The more you cross-promote your content, the faster your audience will grow. Remember, consistency is key. By regularly optimizing your videos and engaging with your viewers, your channel will steadily gain more subscribers and views. So there you have it. With the right strategy and dedication, earning $460 a day through YouTube automation is entirely within reach. Start now, create amazing content, and watch as the money starts rolling in.